Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online and over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. Here's the big reveal. You are looking at Perth Mint 10-ounce cast silver bars. They are no longer being produced by the Perth Mint, so they're getting harder and harder to get as the days, weeks, months and years roll by. So if you don't have any, or if you're looking to get some more, now is a really good time. For the next 24 hours only, we're offering them at a very special price. I'll mention that in just a second. Let's take a quick little look. If you've never seen them before, if you're a newbie to the Perth Mint 10-ounce bar, of course, up the top here you have the Perth Mint logo. Now, as you can see, that's a swan in the middle there, and that's a right-facing swan. But they used to be a left-facing swan. Now in the mid-2000s, that changed from left-facing to right-facing. Now, if you happen to remember the exact year, post a comment below and let us know. And the left-facing swan bars actually attract a bit of a higher premium usually, and quite possibly coming soon, the right-facing swan might start to do so as well, because they're no longer being produced by the Perth Mint at all. And down the bottom, of course, 10 ounces and 999 right there to signify the purity of the silver. And of course on the back, just a lovely plain classic looking silver bar. So if you want some, if you've never had them, if you want to get your hands on more, here's a really good opportunity for the next 24 hours only. We normally have these at a higher premium to all of our other 10-ounce bars listed on ainslieBullion.com.au, but we're going to lower it all the way down to our very lowest premium, and we're going to match the price with our Ainslie branded 10-ounce cast silver bars. So you're getting Perth Mint branded bars for the Ainslie premium. So I think it's a really good deal for the next 24 hours only. So I'll put a link below to the specific product page in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment. And maybe you don't want them, but maybe someone else does. So you would certainly want to like this video. You'd want to share it around just in case others may want them. And you probably want to subscribe as well, because we do these specials every single week, and you never know, on a particular Wednesday there might be something for you that you really want. So like, share, subscribe, head over to the page, the product page, for the next 24 hours only. So by around about 1 p.m. tomorrow on Thursday, that's when that special will finish. So get in quick before they're all gone. That's it. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.